Right, this could be one of the elevators here at the University Place Hotel in Portland, Oregon.
Looks like a ruined Lexan.
It's an older innovation too.
Here it is.
This was a Lexan.
Definitely. Otis Cedo. It might still be on its original controller. It probably was one of the Nixie Tube ones.
Yeah, looks like it. Sometimes for the short one like
Late 90s
they
mod.
just didn't have an indicator.
Mm-hmm.
This one's bright.
Very. Yeah, it's on its original controller for sure.
Mm-hmm, I can hear it.
Hopefully the motor still is.
The fact that it's blinking.
Oh yeah.
Otis center lock.
Considering it has provisions for indicator on the original controller, then it probably was a Nixie Tube.
Yeah. Alright, let's listen to this motor. I bet it's still original.
Seems like it. It would be rare to replace the controller, or not controller, but always the
Listen.
motor.
That is definitely the original motor.
Yeah.
And I think we can give this one more spin. Too bad the fixtures are replaced, but this is still pretty cool.
Yeah. And it's older innovation too, so.
Yeah, this definitely gotta be a 90s mod.
For sure.
Except then they went and stuck LEDs in it.
Yeah.
Versus Park Meadows. Late 90s, early 2000s, look at that phone.
Nice classic leveling.
Yeah. Alright, let's listen one more time. Here we go. And here we are.
That's fun.
I think there's 2 out of 3. I don't know. Maybe there's 3.
Yeah, there's 3
There's
here.
definitely one more.
Well, there it goes. That'll be it.